Churn milk cake, adapted from the Geordie cookbook by Peggy Howie. For this recipe I'm using 454 grams of self-rising flour, 185 grams of margarine, half a teaspoon of mixed spice, which you made earlier from my recipe, 200 grams of mixed fruit, 140 grams of caster sugar, and 450 mils of sour milk. Yes, that's right, sour milk. Waste not, want not. Beat the margarine. And sugar to a cream. Mix the dried fruit in the flour. Add the half teaspoon of mixed spice to the flour. And mix. Now add the flour to the beaten margarine sugar. Finally add the sour milk. And mix until it's all combined. Nice soft mixture. When it's all nicely mixed, put it in your 7-inch baking receptacle. Bake for 1 hour in a moderate oven, gas mark for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 106 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. Looks nice. I gave it another 15 minutes because it didn't look right. Let's try again. I made one of these last week, but it rose a bit much in the middle and cracked. So this time I decided to use a lower temperature, the lower end of moderate, 350 Fahrenheit instead of 375. But it didn't work very well. The centre didn't cook, it was still moist, very moist. So I had to keep putting it back in the oven for another 50 minutes. Now the centre is cooked, but it's brown on the outside. You just can't win. Anyway, let's see what it tastes like. Tastes okay, but not as good as last week's. I'll give it a 7 stars on the yummy scale.
zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 5.